Here is today's story. Marcus was at the airport, exhausted after a long business trip. He checked in for his flight home and expected his usual economy seat. But the agent smiled and said, "Mr. Marcus, we are upgrading you to first class today." Marcus could not believe it. He had never flown first class. He settled into the wide leather seat and a flight attendant offered him a glass of champagne. He felt out of place at first, but gradually relaxed. Gradually means slowly, little by little. Sitting next to Marcus was Elena, a novelist. They began chatting and discovered they both grew up in the same small town. What a coincidence! A coincidence is when two things happen by chance with no planning. They talked the entire flight. When they landed, Elena gave Marcus her book. She had written it about their hometown. On the first page she wrote, "To Marcus, proof that coincidences are just waiting to happen." Marcus smiled. That upgrade had changed his day completely. Wonderful story. Let us review the vocabulary. Upgrade means to move to something better. Gradually means slowly, little by little. Coincidence means things happening by chance. And proof means evidence. Try to use these words today.